Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to reset and clear the cache on your PlayStation 5 so you can increase the performance. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So it's very easy to clear the cache on the PlayStation 5, and this will clear up some system memory so your PlayStation 5 has increased performance. Now, this will also reset some of the settings in your game, and it will reset like your display options where you have to increase the brightness with the HDR settings. So how would we go ahead and do this? Well, we first have to go ahead and grab a USB to USB-C cable, just like this, because to clear the cache is now in the safe mode menus. Now you can still do it the old-fashioned way where you unplug your PlayStation 5 from the wall. However, I'm going to show you the safe mode method. Now go ahead and turn off your PlayStation 5 by pressing the PlayStation button and then going to the power options and then going to turn off. Otherwise, you can locate the power button and hold this down. And hold it down for about 5 seconds. You'll hear one beep, then you'll hear a second beep, then go ahead and let go and your PlayStation 5 will then turn off. Now, when the lights on your PlayStation 5 completely stop blinking and there's no lights emitted, go ahead and locate the power button once again and hold this down and continue to hold it down for about 7 to 8 seconds. You'll hear a second beep. When you hear that second beep, go ahead and let go and your PlayStation 5 will now go ahead and launch into the safe mode menus. This is where this USB to USB-C cable comes in handy. Plug into the front of the console, just like this. Then plug the other end into your controller. You have to operate the safe mode menu with your controller plugged in. Now press the PlayStation button and you will now be able to operate the menu. And you have to use the D-pad to move up and down. Now go to option number 5, clear cache and rebuild database. Then the first option will be clear system software cache. Select that. The system software cache will be cleared. Press OK. Now your PlayStation 5 will go ahead and restart. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.